Hello everyone, this is Shiva here. A warm welcome to all my dear viewers and my respected judges. First of all, I would like to thank Vishu sir and the entire crew of Ferrum who took the initiative in launching this competition, creating a platform for all those students who are eagerly waiting to exude their talent. Today, I am in front of you to speak a few words and share my thoughts regarding the topic changing face of Indian education system. So friends, मैंने मेरे दोस्त को पूछा आज का लेक्चर अटेंड किया? उसने बोला अटेंड किया। मैं बोला क्या समझा? उसने बोला चालू तो किया था और जाके सो गया। दिस इज द रियलिटी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउअडेज। स्टूडेंट्स लेक्चर चालू करके जाके सो जाते हैं और कुछ मान लो ऐसे भी होते चालू करके अपने भाई बहन के हाथ में देते, बोलते ले भाई मेरा आज पढ़ाई तू कर ले। और कुछ मान लो ऐसे भी होते चालू करके जाके कॉर्नर बैठ के पबजी खेलते। स्टूडेंट्स आर टेकिंग इट्स एडवांटेज इन अ रॉन्ग वे विच इज अनफॉर्चुनेटली डिसएडवांटेज ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ लाइव इंटरेक्शन और लाइव एक्सपीरियंस विद द टीचर। स्टूडेंट्स के मन में वो डर नहीं है कि यार लेक्चर में बैठना है, पूरा लेक्चर अटेंड करना है। एंड द मेन डिसएडवांटेज इज by continuously watching on the mobile phone, our eyes get strained, which leads to severe headache. And by continuously hearing for 40 to 45 minutes, it affects our eardrum. And the only advantage is students can attend the lecture from wherever they want or wherever they wish without going outside their home. And the only requirement is a mobile phone and an internet connection. But what about those parents who are not able to afford a phone to their children? Don't they have the right to educate themselves? And if this situation continues, there may arise a situation where teachers have to opt another profession due to introduction of apps like Byju's, Vedantu, etc., towards which students are more attracted to. Think on it. Nextly, NEP, that is New Education Policy introduced by PM Modi. Earlier, the structure was 10 plus 2 plus 3. Now the structure is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Elaborately, from nursery to second standard, fundamental education, from third standard to fifth standard, preparatory education, from 6th standard to 8th standard, middle education, and from 9th standard to SYJC, secondary education. From 5th standard till 5th standard, students will be taught in their mother language. And from 6th standard onwards, vocational subjects, that is extracurricular activities, will be added. For example, if a child is interested in carpentry, then he can take it as a subject. And if a child is interested in music and dance and somewhat like that, he can take it as a subject. And from 9th standard onwards, students can choose a subject which they want to study or which they are interested in. And the main change in the system is boards will be conducted only in 12th standard, whereas it was mandatory to conduct board in 10th standard only. Our gross enrollment ratio will be 50% by 2035 in higher education. Last but not the least, students will be able to do a second course in the middle of a first course. For example, if a student wishes to do a second course in the middle of a first course, then he can take a second course from taking a break in the first course for a limited period of time. Friends, our education system has been changed after 34 years. Then a question arises to my mind. We didn't know why we are learning that education system, and we don't know why we are going to learn this education system. So what is the future of Indian students? Think on it. Thank you for sharing your peaceful time in listening my video. Once again, thanks for Vishu sir who gave us this opportunity. Thank you.